Hi, Phil Swift here for FLEX Super Wide Duct Tape. This is no ordinary duct tape. Just check out how wide this is. It has a tough reinforced backing that's super strong, but it still can be torn by hand. And a thick, powerful adhesive that bonds to metal, glass, PVC, all types of surfaces. And it's water resistant, so once it sticks, it keeps its grip. Our super wide duct tape can be torn to any size, so there's absolutely no waste. Rip a thin strip for small repairs, or use a super wide strip for those giant jobs. FLEX duct tape is so strong that just one super wide strip can lift this 500-pound safe. Plus, it can be removed and repositioned and still holds on tight. Temporary auto repairs? Go from this to this. Organize messy wires and go from this to this. Tears in furniture? Go from this to this. Now you can seal up drafty windows and all types of ductwork, or reinforce heavy boxes. To show you the power of our FLEX Super Wide Duct Tape, we built this metal frame, wrapped it, covered it, and sealed it with only our super wide duct tape. Introducing the FLEX Super Wide Duct Tape Race Boat. Not only can it speed across the water, but our super strong water-resistant backing can take a pounding, and our powerful adhesive holds the entire race boat together. Yeehaw! Now that's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! Forget ordinary duct tapes. Get our new high-performance FLEX Super Wide Duct Tape. It's so wide, we built this race boat.